Hello friends, my name is Anna Morvin. Now I'm going to show you how to make buttons. One of the methods how to make buttons. This method includes binding off stitches and casting on stitches for buttonholes. Here I applied this method. These buttonholes are quite wide already because I was using this hoodie. I will attach the link to this pattern in the caption of this movie. So yeah, these buttonholes, they kinda wide because I was using them, but they are sturdy. They are not bringing me down. Buttons don't fall out of them, so I like them. So we have our fabric and we need to mark the place where our buttonholes will be. First we need to figure out how many stitches will go on a buttonhole. We're taking our button and placing it on the fabric. Buttonhole should be, I would say, approximately 20% more narrow than the button. So here it covers 3 and even goes on sides, this button. So I will make 3 stitches buttonhole. I usually mark like this the future buttonholes, so I will not get lost. So this will be our first, then we are measuring with a ruler or whatever what the distance we want between buttons, like for example 2 centimeters, like so. This will be the new beginning of a new buttonhole of the next. So I'm showing this flat, working flat, but it really doesn't matter. I work in flat or not, or in the round. So let's begin the row. Here's the 3 stitches. So taking out the marker, 3 stitches we need to bind off in a regular traditional method. The link is up there. So it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. Then we continue to work to the next marker, taking it out, and these 3 stitches we need to bind off. 1, 2, 3, and finishing the row. Here are the places of our future buttonholes. On the next row or round, it doesn't matter. So we work to this bound off stitches, yeah. And we are casting on the amount of stitches we bound off on the previous round or row. Here's 3 stitches I bound off, so I need to cast on 3 stitches with backwards loop method. The link is up there. Working to the next section of bind off stitches and casting on another 3 new stitches. I work in stockinette, but if you have some pattern, you can just follow your pattern easily. So, and these 3 cast on stitches. Look how they are located. So do not twist them. I will need them on back loops. Another section. 1, 2, 3. Here is the button. Oh yeah, it's good. To make it more firm, you can sew up a little on the edges, but if you like to. So these buttonholes could be horizontal or they could be vertical, as here. It depends on in what direction you are knitting. Yeah. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a great day. Bye.